All right, friends. Now let us learn the concept of perpetual bond. In our basic introduction, we have already learned that value of a bond using perpetuity. So the present value of perpetuity is nothing but it is going to be the cash flow divided by discounting factor minus growth. This is what we have learned in our basics. Am I right? So now here, in case of a bond, the present value of perpetual bonds means bonds which have infinite life, correct? So what is going to be the cash flow in case of a bond? The cash flow is going to be the coupon amount divided by what will be the discount factor in case of bond? It will be yield minus growth. But friends, bonds normally have a stable coupon. You don't have a growth. So there is no growth in case of bond. So what is the formula for perpetual bond? It is going to be coupon amount divided by yield. A very, very simple concept. Example also I'll give you here itself. Let us say the coupon amount is turning out to be 8 rupees and your yield is turning out to be 15%. What will be the value of a perpetual bond? The value of a perpetual bond will now be nothing but 8 divided by 15%, or you will get the answer as 53.33. So friends, with this example and concept, I have covered the valuation of a regular bond. I have covered the valuation of a zero coupon bond. I have also covered the valuation of a perpetual bond. I hope you are clear with all these points, friends. Thank you so much.